Today I would like to introduce the fiber laser cleaning machine and teach you how to use it. Now this is one laser machine here. Now first, before we use it, we should go back to the machine and to find the laser tube, air tube and the general power supply. First, we must open the power, and second, connect for the air. This is just the normal air is okay, no need special. On the top, you will find 3 buttons: the system, the laser, and the emergency. The correct order is you open the system first, and then open the laser. Then back to the screen. There are only 2 things you need to care about. One is the scan width. You can see it is a max is 300 millimeter. And the second is the peak power. This machine peak power 1500. If your machine 2000, you change 2000, okay? Before we power on the machine, we also need to to check something. First is the water. You can see here we have 3 parts: the extra water, the standard water, and the lack of water. We must make sure the water is in the standard, the green color parts. And then the temperature must be higher than 22 degrees. If everything is okay, then we can power on the machine. Okay, now let's back to the machine guns here. If we look closely, we will find there is one lock. When we use the machine, we should open the lock. When we don't use it, we close the. Okay, and here is one button. You press twice, then the laser will be out. If you don't press, then the laser will be disappear. Now let me show you. Okay, now let's use it. Now first we open the lock, okay, and then we press the button once, twice, and then cleaning.